Do you think we can make some homemade personal pan pizzas in a hotel room using nothing but an air fryer? Well, we're going to find out today. Welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of our home here at 4D Farms, where we're all about faith, family, home, and farm. Y'all come on in and see what we're all about, because we want our channel to encourage you and inspire you on your journey. If you see something that you like, please give it a thumbs up, hit that like button. That helps our channel grow and reach more people. If you want to subscribe, and if you think other people can benefit from our videos, please share them. Y'all, we hope to see you in each and every video, and most of all, thanks for watching. Y'all, we're going to try to do this. I will put my pizza dough recipe in the description box below. I just found it online, but I added a few extra things to it. I will type it up in the description box below. It is a wonderful go-to staple pizza dough recipe in my house. Dear hubby loves it. Beginner, it's all-purpose flour, okay? Just try to use unbleached all-purpose flour, okay? And I'll show you what I got going on here. I've already got on a piece of parchment paper, because I'm going to bake these up in my air fryer on parchment paper. I made my dough, but I'm going to section them into 4 different balls, roll them out as the circumference of my the bottom portion of my air fryer. And now I'm going to top it with all my pizza toppings, and then yeah, we're going to make 4 personal pan pizzas, one for each of us tonight, and then one for each of us tomorrow night. I can just make 2 pizzas tonight and then refrigerate these 2 dough balls and make them fresh tomorrow night, which is that's probably what I'll do. Instead of making 4 personal pan pizzas tonight, I'll just put these 2 back, get our 2 done for tonight, put these 2 dough balls in a Ziploc bag, put them in the refrigerator, make them fresh for tomorrow night. But my fixings is going to be some sauce we had left over one night. We have now started putting this on our pizzas, fresh sliced mozzarella. I got pepperoni here that was on sale, and we're going to be doing some sliced roasted tomatoes on top, except this time I'm not going to pre-roast them. I'm just going to slice them up very thinly, put a couple on top, then put my seasonings on them, and then just let them bake in the air fryer. So let me get this pizza fixed and set up. I forgot fresh basil we're going to top with too. 2 accessories I've got in my box, y'all. Y'all remember I told y'all in one of my videos, my mother gave me this umpteen years ago? Well, it's come in handy in my travel box because it folds very neatly and just down to nothing hardly. It doesn't hardly take up any space at all. And I found this at an Amish store at the last place we were at by the lake house. Just a little mini dough roller. Okay, let's get busy putting this pizza together. All right, I've got this one all topped and ready to go. Y'all, I got that baby loaded. Now the trick is getting it from here to over here in my tray, and I'm probably going to have to fold the edges of the paper down because the element is up here, and I don't want my paper getting into the element and catching fire in a hotel room. I'm not going to put the basil on it yet because my air circulates in here so fast, my basil will just be flying around and flopping around in there. So we'll put the basil on there after it comes out fresh. Perfect size. Now let's bake this baby up. I will have to fluctuate and play around with the time and the temperature. In the meantime, I'm starting out with 325 for 15 minutes, and I'll check it. Now we're going to get the next one assembled. I'll find some parchment paper and get my next one assembled. And I'm going to put these two dough balls into the refrigerator, and I'll make them fresh tomorrow night. Okay, I checked it after 15 minutes. The edges are getting good golden brown, but I found like just up underneath that where it may not be like not doughy, but yet I know it's still very soft, and I don't want it to be doughy. So just to finish it off, I cut down the temperature, and then I added just a few more minutes, and then we're going to see how that turns out. When I put mine in there, I'm going to go ahead and go down to 320 and do like 20 to 25-ish minutes. I'll check it at 25. Might need to go 30. We'll see. All right, first one just got done. After playing around with the minutes, I'll know what to do on mine. Let's look at it. Look at that. I'm sorry, y'all, the lighting is a little dark on this side of the room because I don't have a light above me. Let me see if I can point towards the light. Oh, well. Okay, so I will know how to adjust the temperature and the time on mine. This one's dear hubby's, or I'll swap with him because I usually eat before he does. So I'll take this one and I will make his fresh, and then we're just going to have a simple side salad with it. I'll get this plated up. I'll take a picture of it, let you see what it looks like at the end, and I guess you can make a homemade pizza in the air fryer in a hotel. Watch for the picture at the end. I will see y'all in the next video, but stay tuned for that picture.